all cities must face the challenges of climate change. Berlin has a pioneering role to play. Here, the city's cleaning department uses waste from the organic waste bin to contribute to greater sustainability. It obtains its green fuel biomethane in one of the most modern biogas plants in the world.
Biomaterial, which amounted to 70,000 tons this year, is delivered to us by collection vehicles.
First, drums filter out the materials that don't belong in the organic bin, followed by magnets. The natural waste is then crushed to give the bacteria more surface area for fermentation.
We can convert the energy released by the bacteria.
The anaerobic energy generation in the plant takes 21 days. The remaining biomass later serves as fertilizer in agriculture and makes the cycle perfect. The extracted biomethane is fed into the gas network. 160 vehicles of the Berlin city cleaning are already driving emission-free on this gas all year round. This makes the capital city a pioneer. City planners from all over the world visit the facility.
Berlin citizens who feed the organic waste bin help us save about 9,000 tons of CO2 per year on the bottom line, so we make the air a little bit cleaner.
The latest technologies for sustainable waste management will be presented at IFAT 2020 in Munich.